Is it safe to publish ChatGPT AI posts on WordPress site? I would like to make a test very quickly to answer the question. And giving you details, I will ask for a unique blog post about cat health as an example. And as you know, all the text will be generated in seconds. And after it all done, I will copy and paste it into a plagiarism test using free tool online. By the way, you can use any tool for plagiarism checking. And here it seems is 100% unique. And it is exactly the final result. Displayed 100% unique text written by Chat GPT, even it is AI artificial intelligence. Anyway, if you are still worried about publishing content generated by Chat GPT, you can simply rephrase the text for free using Quillbot tool. And here is exactly what you can do: some changes for the paragraphs. But make sure that you have only 120 words limited for each paragraph you will rephrase it. So I will paraphrase the first paragraph within 125 words to show this tool works. So, guys, you can try this method to replace the AI text generated by ChatGPT. It is also free and profitable. In fact, I want you to take a look and see my website to see that I'm using ChatGPT to generate idea, and that helps me grow faster. What is more, that I used to copy-paste a full content generated by ChatGPT without making any changes, even though my website display ads by Google AdSense. So I think this article what I'm talking about. Yes, it is the article that 100% generated by ChatGPT. And it is unique and wonderful. And it can generate an income by click-through AdSense. And there is no worries about using ChatGPT to write articles for you. So guys, it was an example and a remarkable proof about publishing AI content which is written by ChatGPT or any other tool. As a result, it is safe to publish ChatGPT AI articles on your blog or website. You can check it by yourself visiting my website to see that article, but my website is 90% written by me as an author, the admin, and the website owner. Please like and share the video with others to help people grow their online business. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video.